Sensational's Fringe Frame Swiss Lace Wig. Style Carina 1B.
Bags is on the beat.
If you're just joining my channel, you are now part of the family for my cousins, bae zaddies, sis, bros, everybody. So my hair is already clean, detangled, and twisted. I'm going to go ahead and make some braids on the side. I call these the Indian braids. That's how I grew up with them. And I'm just going to braid them all the way to the bottom. Now with twist, it is way easier to braid them. You can manipulate them because they stretch. And then you can just braid them as neat and as nice as you need to. So that when you put your stocking cap on and your wig on top, it lays seamlessly. So I'm just going to braid starting with my right side, and then I'm going to finish on the left side. You've seen one braid, you've seen them all. Alright, so it's time for the left side. So I'm going to start from the top. I'm going to braid that braid all the way to the base. Same method, same concept. So I'm just going to braid all the way down. Again, twists are so much more easier to manipulate versus actual braids. So I'm just going to braid it down, get it nice and flat so that I can go ahead and apply that stocking cap and move right on to the wig. Bobby, I love you! Moving on to some bobby pins. Got to tuck that hair in so it can stay out the way. Now you can tuck it into your braid or you can use a bobby pin. Tuck it away so that it's easier to go ahead and apply that stocking cap. Since this is a full wig, it really doesn't matter what color stocking cap. Just make sure that you're using one. Hey, you there? I see you over there. So I'm just showing you the wig. It does come pre-styled with the ponytail already wrapped. This is how it looks for the most part. And this is the inside. So it's definitely giving you real scalp tease. It has that bang for fringe. It's giving you the curly beamy up Scotty Nicki Minaj vibes. I really like this wig. Like, this is going to be amazing. So it does come with an extra piece of net, which you can cut off, glue down, bobby pin down, or you can stick the clips inside of your cap. In Brooklyn, we call these bubbles. So I'm applying them to the half up, half down. This look is currently trending, and I thought that I would give it a try. I'm definitely giving you a round the way fillet. Not the bangs, the bangs. Oh, 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 fuck no. So just to be transparent, this is probably like one of the dangerous ways to fucking cut a bang. Do not cut your bangs like this. Put it on something, measure it out. Do not cut next to your eyes. This is very dangerous. But I've been doing bangs since Brooklyn, New York. Honey, you cannot tell me about a bang. I can cut a bang in my sleep, let alone by my eye. So I'm just cutting this so that I can see because it's too long. And I just want to shorten it a bit. So that's basically what I'm doing here. I love big hair, and it has gotten fluffy just for me pulling on it, combing it out with my hands, raking it out with my hands. It is very voluminous now. That's basically how the hair looks front and back. This hair was $20. It was 50% off, so I got it for $10. It was worth the steal. Look how gorgeous I am. I just did a little makeup, a little glam, and I'm going to put this in a little Chinese ninja bun, top knot, whatever you call it, and we're just going to see how it looks like that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time.